Is your YouTube not working on Wi-Fi? Fix it in the next few minutes. Airplane mode reset. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the control center. Turn airplane mode on and wait for about 10 seconds. Then turn airplane mode off again. Now reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, open YouTube and check if it's working. If it's still not working, don't worry. Reconnect Wi-Fi network. Go to the Settings app on your device. Tap on the Wi-Fi. Find the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to, and tap the info icon next to it. Now select Forget this network. Tap Forget to confirm. Once the network is removed, reconnect to it by selecting the Wi-Fi network again and entering the password. After reconnecting, open YouTube and check if it's working properly. If not, continue to the next fix. Try different Wi-Fi network. Next, connect your device to a different Wi-Fi network. Maybe a friend's hotspot or another network nearby. Once connected, open YouTube and see if it's working properly. If it works on another network, then the issue is clearly with your original Wi-Fi. Check internet connection. Open another app that requires an internet connection, like Instagram or any video-based app. Play a few videos or reels and see if they load normally. If videos aren't loading in other apps either, then your internet connection is likely the problem. In that case, try restarting your router or contacting your internet service provider for assistance. Update the YouTube app. Go to the App Store or Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type for YouTube. If an update is available, tap Update and wait for the installation to finish. Check YouTube's server. Open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type YouTube and try opening the website. If the website also fails to load, there's a good chance YouTube's servers are experiencing an outage. In that case, all you can do is wait until the issue is fixed, and that's it.